songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. I knew such enchantment and peace, 'cause it happened one evening to me. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and the Nightingale sang in Berkely Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkely Square. The moon that lingered over London town, a puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world turned upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, the nightingale sang in Berkely Square.